Thank you for clicking and deciding to watch. My name is Uzezi Udwefe Ideho, and this is TSL on the Go. Donald Trump has told his close advisors that he's thinking of running for the U.S. presidency in 2024 if the election certifies Joe Biden. Trump has yet to concede defeat to Democrat Joe Biden in 2020 election, but networks have projected the former vice president as the winner, as Trump would likely have to win a series of recounts in multiple states to win the election. The president appears to have lost 5 states to Biden that he won in 2016, but he piled up more total votes than he won in 2016, which has given him some clout with the GOP despite the loss. Back home to Nigeria, now in business. The meeting to halt the strike of oil workers held between the federal government and members of the Petroleum and Natural Gas Senior Staff Association of Nigeria ended in a deadlock. Officials of Pengassin said the meeting was declared inconclusive and some of the demands of the oil workers were not met. Pengassin on Sunday ordered its members nationwide to down tools following its disagreements with the federal government on matters bordering on the integrated payroll and personal information system. In a bid to end the strike, the government, through the Federal Ministry of Labor and Employment, called for a meeting with the workers' union. And now to sports. The Super Eagles of Nigeria have begun their training against the 2021 African Cup of Nations qualifier clash against Sierra Leone in Benin City, Edo State. Players who have arrived at camp include Hamed Musa, William Trust Ekong, Alex Iwobi, Ola Aina, Joe Aribo, Leon Balogun, Kelvin Akpoguma Sebastian. Also, we have Ike Ezenwa, Chidozie Awaziem, Kelechi Hienacho, and others. We wish the Super Eagles all the best. The United States surpassed 10 million coronavirus cases Monday, just after hitting 9 million cases in 10 days. For the 5th consecutive day, the country has reported more than 100,000 infections, and public health experts warn that the country is entering the pandemic's worst phase. At least 237,000 Americans have died of the coronavirus since February. The milestone came as Pfizer announced its coronavirus vaccine candidate was more than 19% effective, which sharply increased prospect that the federal regulators will authorize the vaccine on an emergency basis as early as mid-December, and that the first shots will be administered before the end of the year or early next year. Thank you for watching. Please do also follow us on all our socials, that's TSL Nigeria TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TSL Nigeria TV. From me to you, stay awesome.
Stay connected to TSL Nigeria and get updates on the go all day, every day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel on TSL Nigeria Space TV and join our online family.